What's going on, everybody? Yours truly here, the Brockton Credit Guy, the author of Unlocking Your Credit, the credit repair book right here that you can find on Amazon. Go to unlockingyourcredit.com, the owner of the Peanut Credit Solution. But in this video, I want to talk about a topic that's bust around the online, social media, etc. There's a lot of confusion about it, and I want to see if I could break down the curiosity and kind of explain it, right? Experian Boost. But before I do so, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, set the notification bell to all, like that any new video that comes in, YouTube will notify you, and we'll go from there. Also, take a tour around the channel for the suggestive video. But what is Experian Boost, right? How does it benefit you? Should I do it? Should I not do it? Is it some kind of scam? So I want to take this opportunity right now to explain what Experian Boost is. So to start, I want to explain to you what Experian is, right? Experian is one of the three biggest credit reporting agency, widely used. They basically hold your data about your credit, your finance, the good account, the bad account, any account that's been delinquent, derogatory, collections account, repo, public record, etc., right? They grab this information, they sell it to banks and lending institutions that's trying to extend credit to you. And also, lately, since 2006, they got together with the other major three credit Beery, right? The other two, TransUnion and Equifax, say, hey, let's come up with the scoring model like that. We don't have to depend on FICO itself, right? So they basically kind of break the bread from FICO, because FICO, 90% of the lending institution use them. So they've been creating their own model, their own scoring model, and sell it to the banks. I mean, obviously, they're still in the early phase. So Experian itself directly have come up what they call Experian Boost, because you and I both know that credit card, mortgage, auto loan, personal loan is not the only type of credit that you pay monthly. You pay things like utility bills, like phone bill, Netflix subscriptions that you have, different phones and things like that. So a lot of people has been complaining, say, I pay that on time. Why don't I get credit for that? So Experian came up with this smart, genius idea and said, tell you what, we'll give you credit for those, right? So basically what they have done, they allow the user, you subscribe to it, it's free, you sign up for Experian website, and then you go in, allow you to link your checking account, right, that you've been paying your bills, like subscription, whatever you've been paying for they look at the last 3 to 6 months, right? So if you give them an account that you haven't done it, or there's no history there, there's no way for them to scan it. Instantly, they say an average, right? In average, consumers are able to see 13 points increase. I've seen increase for some clients between 5, 20 points, 15 points, what have you. I have clients that said they've seen 50 points increase. So that's basically it. So basically, it's very straightforward. They allow you to go into download the app. You simply go there and basically subscribe. Sign up for Experian. They use a third-party software. I think it's called Vicinity or whatever it is. Links securely, encrypt into your banking account. You just sign into your online banking. You might, I don't know if they have all the banks there, but most the big banks they have there, like Bank of America, Santander, Citizen, etc., Chase. So it allows you to, so what they'll do, they'll scan through your credit as soon as your bank account, and they'll pick up any subscription that you've been paying the last 3 to 6 months and report it to your credit. So I just want to let you know, though, that this is mainly only for FICO 8 and above. So you only see the benefits on FICO 8 and above. And also only your Experian account, that's the only where you're gonna see the difference if your score increase like 13 point, what they say on their website, and average it does. you only will see it there, right? You're not gonna see it on Equifax and TransUnion because they don't have that Experian Boost. It's different than you got a credit card from Capital One or Bank of America or Chase City. You're paying on it, they might report it to all three, you get the benefit. But in this case, this Experian Boost is designed driving traffic directly only to their site. It's only benefit on FICO 8 and above. It's been going on for a year or so now. It's in their early phases. A lot of people adapting. A lot of banks out there, believe it or not, use the Experian report. So, 13 point might put you, in a different bracket. It might give you that boost that you need probably to get into like a business loan or to get into that mortgage with better rate, etc. So 13 point is a lot. Things that you could do to help you overall, for example, minimize the amount of applications you put out there. Make sure your utilization, if you're gonna do this, do it and then kind of work on your overall credit profile. So what I usually tell clients, just don't do the Experian Boost and expect like a miracle to happen. Make sure your utilization on your accounts, your credit cards, and your revolving account, it's under 30% ideally. I tell client under 10%. Make sure you have mixtures of credits like an installment account, charge cards, etc., revolving account. Make sure, if you have collection, things like that, address it if you don't recognize it. Don't solely just basically look at Experian Boost and forget about the other credit bureau, because you might go apply for a mortgage, they don't use FICO 8, then something might happen. You might go apply for a credit card, they don't use Experian credit report, they use TransUnion, Equifax, so now you're missing out. So do this obviously to give you that boost if that's where you need, but look at your overall credit and start building a healthy credit profile. So hopefully this information is good. Just make sure you continue to subscribe to my channel, support, share, and love to hear back your feedback below if you have more questions in regards to that. All right, thank you.